This is an iron tube for practice welding. You can put your little finger in it. Today we will share with you the welding process if you operate the TIG large interval. In such a gap, all 4 welding rods can be put in. The width is about 1 centimeter. The first thing we pay attention to is the tungsten electrode. The tungsten electrode needs to be longer so that it can be guaranteed that the root of the groove can be burnt when the joint is welded. The welding method used is floating handle, using fingers as support points, using zigzag wobble welding. The tungsten electrode swings, and the electrode must also follow the tungsten electrode swing to ensure that the electrode will not be broken if you continue to follow. This is the welding forming of TIG shop. After the stainless steel is finished, there will be a small angle on both sides. When welding, the current used must be larger, and then the swing angle must be larger. This will melt the small seams on both sides for better integration. Stay on both sides and move faster to the middle. Move to the side to give more electrodes and less electrodes in the middle. The main purpose is to melt all the gaps on both sides. We pay attention to the gaps on both sides so that the effect is better during fusion. The current cannot be too small, it must be a large current. This is the effect of filling. When filling in the next time, you can make the angle smaller, so that you can fill it in at one time. It's easier to operate when covering the face. Everyone pay attention to the angle change from the first welding. The angle becomes smaller, and other welding methods will not change. Give the electrode to the upper side, and less electrode to the lower side. You can use small lines to operate the second filling, so that you can avoid welding through the bottom layer. The weld bead after filling with this method will be flatter, and it will be easier to fill the cover in the future. We pay attention to the changes in welding. This is the welding is completed, and the filling effect is like this. Is it easier to cover the filling in the future? Let's discuss.